Alright, welcome to Unit 4, Introduction to Perfect Competition. In this video, you will learn how much output a perfectly competitive firm should produce, as well as when production is profitable for a perfectly competitive firm. Let's get to it. Alright, so we have here something called the price-taking firm's optimal output rule. So we got to consider again, what does it mean to be a price-taking firm? If you recall from our previous unit, we learned that a price-taking firm is one that it doesn't matter what quantity of output they produce, their production will have no effect on the market price, because apparently there are so many other firms producing a very similar or the same good, and consumers view those goods all as being equal, all as being substitutes for each other, perfect substitutes for each other. In fact, that no matter if they produce as much as they can or as little as they want, they do not budge the price because there are so many other firms doing it. No one firm sells that much of the product, so they are all price takers. So if you are a price taker, you take the market price as given. Therefore, your price curve, your marginal revenue curve, is horizontal. So you can see here in the picture, you have at $18 being the market price, it is a marginal revenue curve that is horizontal at $18. Every additional output that they sell increases their marginal revenue by exactly the same amount, $18. So marginal revenue is unchanged, is $18 for all of them because it is equal to the price. So for the price taker, marginal revenue equals price. We learned previously that the optimal output rule for a firm is where to produce where marginal revenue equals marginal cost, and that is true here for the perfectly competitive firm. They produce where MC equals MR. It just so happens that the price is also equal to marginal cost there. The marginal revenue equals the price, marginal revenue equals marginal cost, and that is because that demand curve is horizontal. So MR and the price are the same. So you produce until the price equals marginal cost, or said another way, until marginal revenue equals marginal cost. When is production profitable? So again, we think about how to define profit. Profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. So if a firm produces a quantity at which total revenue is greater than total cost, the firm will make money because it will be a positive number. If those two are equal, total revenue equals total cost, the firm will break even, making zero economic profit. And if they produce where total revenue is less than total cost, the firm will incur a loss. So again, just another version of answering the same question, when is production profitable? Well, so now we're comparing price to average total cost. So on the left-hand side, you see a picture with the U-shaped average total cost curve there in blue. The price is that horizontal line. Price is equal to marginal revenue. And at this point, marginal cost, where it crosses and intersects with price, is also at the minimum average total cost. So in that case, that picture is the middle one. So on the left-hand picture, that is the center one where it says price equals ATC. So that's showing you what it looks like when the firm breaks even, makes neither a profit nor a loss. The picture on the right, you can see that price is greater than average total cost. So that firm is profitable. That yellow shading, that is the area of that firm's profit because their price is greater than average total cost. And if the opposite were to happen, where price would be less than average total cost, the firm would be incurring a loss. All right, so what is the strategy for them to maximize their profits? Again, for repetition, for emphasis sake here, in the short run, a firm will maximize profit by producing the quantity of output at which marginal cost equals marginal revenue. And remember, for a price-taking firm, their marginal revenue curve is the price. So that price is going to be horizontal because, again, it does not matter how much they produce. It will result in the same marginal revenue that is equal to the price. So wherever MC equals MR, where they intersect, that is going to be the optimal output for that firm to produce, and that intersection of marginal revenue will equal that firm's price. This has been a LaMoney production.
Everybody put 3 fingers in the air. The sky's falling, the wind is calling, stand for something or die in the morning. Section 80, high power.